Si Natalia Moon ay isang Australian TV and theater actress, singer, songwriter at DJ. Tinagurian siyang The Barbie Doll from Down Under at nakilala siya dito sa ating bansa bilang YouTube star nang sumikat at nag-trend ang music videos, uploaded videos online katulad ng awitin niyang Forevermore, Dito Lang Ako.
Para lang sa'yo hanggang sa huli na dito lang ako.
At Fallen.
Are you gonna let me drown? Cause I keep on falling. It's so appalling. I just can't help my feelings, but I keep falling for you.
Napakahusay na din niyang magsalita at umawit ng mga Tagalog songs.
Alaala mo sa akin ay gumugulo. Bakit di na lang pawiin ang hapdi sa aking puso?
Napapanood na din natin siya sa mga TV series at sitcom. At sa mga sandaling ito, muling inihahandog ni Natalia Moon ang kanyang bagong awit, ang Love You.
I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Do you believe in love at first sight? I know I did when I saw you that night. And now we're here standing side by side. Buhay ko ay ilalaan sa'yo, luha ko'y para lang sa'yo, hanggang sa huli nandito lang ako. Buhay ko ay ilalaan sa'yo, luha ko'y para lang sa'yo, hanggang sa huli nandito lang ako. And I give this ring as a circle of our life, a never-ending, amazing lifetime. And I will be with you, can't you see? The one true love that was meant to be. Buhay ko ay ilalaan sa'yo, luha ko'y para lang sa'yo, hanggang sa huli nandito lang ako. Buhay ko ay ilalaan sa'yo, luha ko'y para lang sa'yo, hanggang sa huli nandito lang ako. Give me your hand, heart and my soul, I will be with you. Give me your hand, heart and my soul, I will be with you forevermore. Buhay ko ay ilalaan sa'yo, luha ko'y para lang sa'yo, hanggang sa huli nandito lang ako. Buhay ko ay ilalaan sa'yo, luha ko'y para lang sa'yo, hanggang sa huli nandito lang ako. Dito lang ako, 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 dito lang ako. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Natalia Moon!
What's up? What's up?
What's
Kumusta?
up? It's, aba, Tagalog.
Oh naman. Bakit English?
Ay, ang
Bawal
saya-saya,
dito.
oh. Ay, kumusta ka na?
Oh, galing. I'm good. I'm just chilling. Like a villain. Ikaw.
Aba talaga. I'm good also. Ay, hindi. Tagalogin natin. Nahihirapan. Napa-English tuloy ako. Kala ko. Ang kasama ko, puti-puti. Di ba? Ang puti-puti ng kasama ko. You know what's maputi-puti-puti?
White?
Yeah.
Multo ko.
Hindi. You're so gluta tayo. No kidding. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Letters and Music.
Wow, thanks so much for having me here.
Ang
Super
saya-saya
excited ako
naman.
talaga.
Nakakatuwa naman ako. May kausap akong ganito kaputi, ganito kamistisa, o ganito sa ibang bansa pa nakatira. Where you from, by the way? Saan?
Taga-Australia ako. From Brisbane.
Australia?
Yeah.
Meron akong kamag-anakan sa Sydney.
Oh, yeah?
Hi there.
Hi,
Napapanood
guys.
tayo ngayon, ha? Okay. Talaga? Magkano kalayo yung Sydney sa Brisbane?
Mga 1-hour flight.
Oh, galing magtagalog
Yeah, okay
nito
naman.
talaga. Sanay na sanay ka. Sino nagturo sa'yo magtagalog?
Actually, meron akong Tagalog teacher. Hi, Jenny! Sa Skype, so...
Hi, Jenny.
Hi, Jenny.
Talaga?
Oo naman.
Tinuturuan ka ng gusto magtagalog?
Oh, syempre.
Siya rin ba ang nagturo sa'yo para sa lyrics sa Tagalog sa kanta mo?
Oh naman. Actually, nagsulat ako ng kanta.
Okay.
Nagsusulat ako ng kanta. Tapos, I'll check with my Tagalog teacher to make sure okay naman. Like, it's not sira yung words.
It's not sila yung words. Gusto ko yun. Ang saya naman nito. Okay. Anong title nung kanta kanina na...
Kanina?
Oo.
Forevermore dito lang ako. So, actually, it's Taglish kasi nagsulat ako English muna.
Tapos
nag-translate ako. And I was like, it's nice in Tagalog.
pinalitan mo yung mga iba ng Tagalog.
Yeah.
I see. Pero originally, yung kanta...
Originally, in English, yung Forevermore.
Wow. Maraming Pinoy naniniwala sa always sa forevermore.
Yeah. Forevermore. in
Ikaw ba
love.
naniniwala ka sa forevermore? Forever
Forevermore.
love?
Siyempre.
Ayan.
Sana.
Ay, meron na bang forever love ikaw?
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 Ako?
Ikaw?
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 Ikaw, di ba? No, joke.
Ikaw? Marami bang magustong mag-court sa'yo?
Ay, syempre.
Na Filipino?
Gusto ko talaga yung courting. That's what I like in the Philippines. The guys are sweet.
Talaga?
In the court. Yeah.
Oy, may nag-court na. Sige nga, anong trait sa courting ng Filipino na gusto mo?
Trait?
Character.
Character?
Trait ng Filipino
Ooh.
na pagko-court sa'yo.
I like the flowers. It's nice.
Wow.
And and sweet. I don't know. Just
Number one, top on the list, flowers. Bigyan siya
and
ng
dinner.
flowers.
I like to go out for dinner.
Dinner?
Yeah.
Aba.
It's nice. And to talk a lot.
Talaga?
I talk a lot. So, walang quiet moments.
Talaga? Gusto mo ba yung kausap mo na Pinoy may tawag nito, sense of humor?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Gusto ko talaga. Sense of humor. And I just like, someone to be fun around.
Nice.
I don't have to
nice
pretend to
naman.
be something else.
Okay.
I don't like.
Paano ka napunta dito? When it comes to where you discovered ng isang talent, scout?
No, actually, nagpunta ako dito para sa holiday muna. Tapos, I fell in love with the Philippines talaga. And then, I like the Filipino boys. And of course,
Wow.
I actually did some charity first. I went to different places.
Saan?
Bayatas.
Sa Bayatas. Okay.
Yeah, I went there. And it was really interesting. So, in the first few months, I'm just doing charity, which I really enjoy. And then after that, I started to learn some Tagalog. And then I noticed people, anong nangyari sa'yo? So, I realized it's time to
Ang dami kong
speak.
gustong tanungin sa'yo. I'd like to ask you some more questions. But we have
Ano?
friends from FB who would like to ask something sa'yo. Okay?
Okay, syempre.
Like, this one coming from Judy Ann Santos. Sabi niya, hello po. Lagi ko po siyang napapanood sa Small Family.
Ayan.
Ano ang inspirasyon niya sa pag-acting at sa pagkanta?
Oh, yes.
Inspiration.
Wow. Actually, yung inspiration ko ay yung lola ko. Kasi ang ganda ng boses niya for singing.
Talaga?
And nung bata pa ako, kumanta kami. So, inspiration siya.
Tinuruan ka rin niya sa pagkanta.
So, super ganda ng boses niya. And even till now, she's older. Sorry, Lola. But she's older. And even now, she still sings. So, for me, I'm like, wow, it's inspiration para sa akin.
Nakakatuwa naman siguro. Siguro, tuwan-tuwa si Lola sa iyo.
Yeah. And then for acting, my favorite actor is Angelina Jolie. I like her a lot.
Okay.
And then here, dito sa Philippines, I like
Sino? Bea Alonso.
Yeah, I really love the Tagalog movies when I watch and I cry. I'm crying, I understand.
Sa Australia, who?
Sa Australia,
Daming artist na Hollywood.
Dami. Maybe Hugh Jackman.
Hugh Jackman.
Yeah.
Wolverine.
And Gerard Butler, yung favorite ko talaga.
Sa babae, sa babae.
Sa babae, sa Australia, maybe Nicole Kidman.
Ayun din nasa
Yeah.
isip ko Okay. Galing naman kay Wayne Pega. Dan sabi niya, hey Natalia.
Hey.
You're so gorgeous smile. Ay!
Wow.
Which one do you prefer the most? Okay.
Ano,
Singing
emoji?
daw or acting?
Singing or acting?
Yes.
Ooh.
Mas masaya sa'yo. Ano mas masaya?
Wow. Never asked that.
Okay.
No, I don't know. It depends.
Kasi they saw you acting already.
Yeah,
eh.
syempre, I do both kasi I think it's all connected talaga. Like, if you sing, you should act because you have to do music videos din.
Because you're an
diba?
entertainer.
And I mean, I can't choose really, but I like both.
Both. Okay, dalawa daw. Sabi
Kasi I did
niya.
kitchen musical dati. So we sing and dance and also acting at the same time. So gusto ko yan.
Nice. Ito naman galing kay Charles Darwin Cruz. Sino pa pong OPM artist ang gusto nyo pong makakollaborate? God bless po.
Ooh. Okay, syempre. Gusto ko si Yang.
Yan, Constantino.
Yeah, I would like to collaborate. And maybe Bamboo.
Ay,
Yeah.
malulupet, malulupet.
Yeah, it would
Great
be good. Right?
artista.
Diba? And
Galing, galing.
you know, yung favorite song is Lizelle Garcia.
Anong kanta yan?
Gising ang puso.
Gising ng puso.
I just love the tune talaga.
Yeah,
It's
ganda,
like,
ganda.
wow.
Piniplay natin yun sa Pinas FM. Okay? Sampulan nga, konti. Yun.
Okay.
Kunti lang.
Sige. Okay. Alaala mo sa akin ay gumugulo. Bakit di na lang bawiin ang hapdi sa aking puso?
Wow! Galing
I
naman.
had a moment, you know, I was
Ang
in my
galing.
bubble.
Maliban sa alaala mo si Raymond Stone. Eto,
ikaw, duet na lang tayo.
bakit hindi? One of these days. Sige. Ito pa. Coming from our friend, I left pa rin. Wow. Nahirapan ako doon sa surname niya.
Yeah.
Ano po ang maituturing niyo pong great achievement during your stay at
Wow.
pananatili sa Pilipinas?
Wow, actually, ang daming
Achievement.
achievements dito.
Oo.
Kasi maraming opportunities dito sa Philippines. And I feel like I became more confident person here in the Philippines because I was given a chance to do acting and do singing. And it was really nice. So actually, A Small Family was a great achievement for me.
Katuwa.
To have a show for a year and a half. And Kitchen Musical also, I had my first lead acting role there. And of course, what else?
What else?
I just really enjoy performing in the malls, performing sa province for the people. I really
Talaga.
enjoy talaga. And I would not have got that opportunity if I didn't go here. So.
Wow, kakatuwa naman yun. Okay. O sige. Balikan natin konti. As far as your song is concerned, okay, available na ba sa Spotify,
yeah,
Deezer? Come on,
iTunes,
make
ganyan.
mention of that right now.
Okay, sige. Yung Tagalog song, Forevermore Dito Lang Ako. You can watch sa YouTube, syempre. Also, you can get in iTunes. And yung bagong song, Love You, which I'll sing later.
Okay.
Also in iTunes. And don't forget to add me on Instagram, guys.
Please.
I am Natalia Moon.
Wow, yun lang. Natalia Moon, yun na. Labas na yun. Okay, nako. We are looking forward for another song coming from you. Okay lang ba yun?
Yeah, you want to be my backup dancer?
Bakit hindi? Mapahamak ako nito.
Bakit hindi?
Bakit hindi?
Hindi ko sabi yan.
Tuturuan mo ako?
Yeah.
Ha?
Sige.
Hirapan yata ako
Ganito.
dito.
Super easy. Ganito.
So, paano?
Because walang
Today,
backup
turuan mo
dancers
muna ako konti.
today.
Konti lang.
Okay,
Ah,
ready?
sige. Ready.
Gonna love you.
Oh, love you.
And the other side?
Tapos,
Okay, then.
Then?
Then like this.
ganyan.
And then head. Yan.
Mas madali yata to eh.
And then the chorus, ganito.
Chorus man, oh.
Love. Center.
Ang galing ah. Okay. O, sige, ladies and gentlemen. Panoorin po natin na pakinggan ng isang magandang dalaga at dilag na kasama natin dito sa Letters to Music. Palakpakan po natin, Natalia Moon!
Wow, salamat! I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. So won't you take one step closer to me? So won't you put your hands on my body?
Oh, won't you do it all? Tonight is the night, 'cause I'm gonna be your girl. If it's alright, I'm gonna love you all night long. Love you all night long. Love you all night long until the morn. I'm gonna love you all night long. Love you all night long. Love you all night long until the morn. Here we go. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. So I'm gonna give one kiss just at the start, and I hope your wish is the same in my heart. Oh, won't you do it all? Tonight is the night, 'cause I'm gonna be your girl. If it's alright, I'm gonna love you all night long. Love you all night long. Love you all night long until the morn. I'm gonna love you all night long. Love you all night long. Love you all night long until the morn. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. I'm gonna take it slow. No one needs to know. Take one breath and just let it go. You are here with me. I am here with you. I just wanna take a chance on you. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. I'm gonna love you all night long. Love you all night long. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. I'm gonna love you all night long. Love you all night long. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you. Maraming salamat.